Happy Saturday, explorers! Put on your lab coats. It's Science Saturday Day in Magic Volcano. Are you ready for a big surprise? We have our snowy powder and our magic red juice. Science is all about mixing things to see what happens. Whoa! Whoa! It's fizzing and bubbling. The powder and the juice made a gas to push the bubbles out. Science is amazing! Did you see how the colors changed? Everything in our world is full of surprises when we look closely. What can you discover today? Go find something outside and tell a grown-up what it looks like. See you later. Bye-bye.